Started as Euparkeria in the Triassic dawn. 2 kilograms of scales and bone on ancient African ground. Semi-erectile rose with teeth and sockets deep. The Archaeopteryx revolution, destiny to keep. Through mud and fern I crawled beneath a younger sun. Little did I know the journey had just begun. 2.47 million years from there to here. From tiny reptile crawling through my primal fear. Tear apart thunder to masters of the sky. Then back to earth.